Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be discussing the DSS Bressert Indicator. All right, so if you want to download the indicator, whether it's the MT4 version or the MT5 version, just check the link, the description, right? Just check the description below. Okay, if you want to download whether the MT4 or the MT5 version, just check the description below. Okay, now after downloading the indicator, you have to proceed to your indicators folder and paste the indicator in there. Okay, having done that, you head back to your navigator and refresh. All right, so after refreshing, the indicator should appear right here. So all you just have to do is drag and drop, ensure that you allow DLL imports box is checked, and then for the custom settings, the EMA period is set at default 8, stochastic period default 13, right? So now this indicator gives your momentum analysis an upgrade. All right, it is designed to smooth out market noise and deliver overbought and oversold signals. As you can see, when the indicator is above the 80 level, it's an overbought signal, right? When it crosses below the 80 level, it's a sign to sell. And then the indicator, when it is below the 20 level, it's an oversold signal. When it crosses above the 20 level, it's a sign to buy, right? But I'm going to recommend using this indicator in a trending market so that your chances of success can be increased. Okay, if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now and turn on your notifications as well so that you will be among the first to get updated when a new video drops. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.